Operation: really old toolbox. History:
Got this from the Cocklers.
plan.
Wash, sand, and stain with linseed oil and use it to store future projects here at Casa de McBride.
Son of a bitch!
This cork, or whatever it is, bottom, has seen better days. I need to replace it. Be right back.
Whoops.
Sorry about that, I kind of got ahead of myself. While waiting for the glue to dry on the bottom, I burned the sides and put linseed oil on it. Now I will put the bottom on. And again, you magnificent bastards, this was not a full-blown restoration. I just needed something to hold all my future projects instead of the cheap plastic ammo box I got years ago at Da Harbor.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andy has left the building. Good night.
He will always be the king no matter what.